Lori Whitlock here. In this video, we're going to put together the cutest little 2 on a 12 by 12 square no glue box. You can purchase the cutting files at the Silhouette Design store, or you can purchase them in my shop at shop.loriwhitlock.com in SVG format. So the coolest thing about this little box is you can cut 2 of them out on a 12 by 12, which is super awesome if you're trying to make them for a party or favors for a lot of people. It cuts out in one piece and it doesn't even require any glue unless you add the covering panels, which you wouldn't have to do because look how cute it is, just cut out of this paper. So I'm going to move these covering panels off to the side and we're going to start folding this box. So you'll probably want a bone folder to burnish your score marks in nicely. And we'll just start folding all of the seams here on these little flaps towards the inside, and then we'll fold along this long line here all the way across the whole project, and then the same thing here on the other side. And then we're going to fold those same lines going the other direction. There's score marks here in the file, so you know exactly where to fold. It'll naturally bend easily right on those fold lines. Okay, so now that we've made basically the grid here with the square marks going each direction, you're going to notice in these 4 corners here that there's an angled fold that we need to make. So you need to pinch those towards the inside of the box. So you can see that when you pull those sides up, that inside is going to just fold in. See how that works? So it's kind of hard to burnish that in, but try and get a good crease on those. Just working your way around each side here. So there's 4 of those, just 1 on each corner of the box. And this is the lid. This piece here with little rounded tabs is the lid. And here's our last one. Okay, so to form the box, you just go ahead and pull all those in. And if you wanted to use some adhesive, you could, but you really don't need to. So then you're going to take your little tabs and fold, tuck those in, and you're going to tuck in this last one right here in between the layers there, right in front of the little finger pull here. And got to get that going in just right, and it'll slide right in. Okay, so now that you have your box put together, we're just gonna put on covering panels if you want to. Again, like I said, this is adorable. You could wrap some ribbon on it, put a little tag on it, whatever you want to do. But if you want to add the covering panels, you can do that. So we've got to decide if we want to use this pink side or the flower side. Ooh, the flowers are really cute, but it's a little bit busy, so I think we'll go ahead and use the pink side. It's just a little more striking contrast, I think. So the one with the little cutout on it goes obviously here on the front with the little finger tab. Should be about a little less than 1/8 of an inch gap on all the sides there. And you have 5 covering panels, so we'll do all the sides except for the bottom. Now, if you wanted to do one for the bottom, you could, but there's 5 in the file. Okay, so there you have it. This really cute little no glue box. It's all one piece. Isn't that cool? And you can just fold that right up and put your little favor in it, whatever it is you want to put in there, and tuck everything in. And you have your cute little favor box all ready to go. And it holds it nice and tight so you don't have to worry about it falling apart. So there you have it. I hope you enjoy making this little no glue square favor box. Have a great day and we will see you next time. Bye bye.